Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer N19H2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer N19H2 is struggling to get through a meeting, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to overheating or insufficient power supply, which can ultimately lead to performance issues and data loss if not addressed promptly. It's essential to act quickly to prevent further damage and ensure your device runs smoothly. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, replacement thermal paste, and an anti-static wrist strap. Opening your Acer N19H2 safely begins with ensuring it's powered down and unplugged. Place it on a flat surface and use the spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Take your time here to avoid damaging any clips. Once opened, locate the battery connector and carefully disconnect it. The fault typically lies with the cooling fan or the thermal paste that has dried out. You'll want to check the fan for dust buildup as well. If you spot any, use compressed air to clean it out thoroughly. Next, remove the screw securing the fan and carefully lift it out. Be cautious not to pull any nearby cables. After removing the fan, use a cloth to wipe away the old thermal paste from the CPU and GPU. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste, spreading it evenly across the surface. Reinstall the fan, ensuring it's connected firmly. When reassembling, make sure to replace all screws in their original positions and reconnect the battery. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, carefully close the back panel, pressing down firmly to ensure it clicks back into position. Now, power on your device and check if the issue has been resolved. To prevent this problem from recurring, ensure you regularly clean the cooling system and avoid using your device on soft surfaces that can block airflow. Regular maintenance can significantly prolong the life of your Acer N19H2. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.